Alright guys, ano titingnan natin ngayon yung bagong update po ni TikTok. Ayan po sa affiliate yung auto withdrawal po. Mayroon po silang bagong update today. Ayan po, and ito po ay update for 2024. So punta tayo dito sa atin po affiliate. Ayan. Punta tayo dito sa shop, TikTok shop. Then punta tayo sa atin po earnings. Punta tayo doon? Mali. Earnings. And makikita nyo guys dito, pindutin natin yung withdrawal. Ayan, makikita nyo po dito lalabas yung activate auto withdrawal. So auto withdrawal natin guys ay GCash, yung ating primary. The full amount available for withdrawal will be paid to your primary bank account every Wednesday lang po. So kung magma-manual tayo, pwede tayo mag-manual or pwede tayo mag every Wednesday. So pindutin natin yung save. Ayan, try natin. So, active auto withdrawal or pwede natin i-X muna. Pwede yata natin sa manual. Kung manual naman, your money is waiting. Add your commission account information to cash out, sabi po niya. So, pwede tayong mag-add ng account. Try natin. Tingnan lang po natin ang phone number, of course. So, yung GCash natin, 918-385-1684. Ayan po. Next natin. And hintayin natin yung code. Okay, pumasok na yung code. Over ko lang po. Then, ayan po, pagkapasok niya, ayan country Philippines resident. Of course, citizen. Continue. Then, UMID tayo. Continue. UMID. And step to go, ayan, we are legally obligated to verify identity based on requirements from financial regulators. Take photo of your ID, nakalagay po dito. So kunin natin yung ating ID. Okay, capture your documents. Picture na natin, harap natin. Auto capturing daw po. Okay. Back of the ID daw. So picture na natin. ID detected, please follow. Try again. Then continue. Okay. Then face verification sa may light daw. Ayan, successful na po tayo. Upload successful. Continue natin. ID number, birthday, na ito po yung ating mga information. Lagay natin, palitan natin. Estimated monthly commission earn. Okay na yan, dyan na lang muna. Sabi niya, okay, submit natin. It may take a few working days. We'll notify you once it's finished. Okay. So, ayan po. Save natin. Alright guys, sabi dito, your balance will only be withdrawn automatically when it exceed to 10 peso. Your primary bank account must be valid. If you turn auto withdrawal, it will be deactivated from the next Wednesday. You can still manually withdraw your balance at any time. Ayun naman po, pwede nyo naman pong palitan pala yung the full amount available for withdrawal will be paid to your primary bank account every Wednesday daw po. Pero kung gusto mo naman po pala palitan yung withdrawal method. Pwede naman pala. Try nga natin guys, pindutin natin yung change. Okay, ayan, pwede naman kayo mag-manual naman pala, So, kung gusto niyo auto withdrawal o every Wednesday, pwede naman. Kung gusto niyo naman ay manual, pwede niyo pa rin pong ma-withdraw every day, So, ayan po, maraming salamat and see you around. God bless.